okay today. What's for dinner?
Anything you want, babe. You let me know and I'll make it.
Hey, babe, I'm almost ready.
It's okay, babe. We're only 1 hour late. Don't rush. It's fine.
Ooh! Ava has a stinky diaper. Here you go, Daddy.
Sure, babe. I love to change diapers. I love the smell. Hey, babe. Do you want to have sex tonight?
Yeah, babe. I've been waiting for you to ask me all day. Let's do it like 5 times. Damn, babe, she's fine. You should DM her. Yeah?
Can you relax, woman? Oh, man.
Oh my god, babe, you're so right. I really need to relax.
Hey, babe. Do you want to have sex tonight?
Not tonight, babe. I'm not feeling good.
That really hurt my feelings.
You're right, babe. I'm completely wrong. Please forgive me.
Hey, babe, can I get a Chanel bag?
Sure, babe. Spend all the money. It's okay. I'll make more.
Can you take out the trash?
I already did.